Good morning to our respected lecturers and fellow classmates. We are from group IF3D01 and today we are excited to present our project SIKOMPU. This is a project we believe can bring significant value to our institution. So first, let me introduce our team. Our project is guided by our project manager and proposer, Ms. Festi Windasari. Our development team consists of 4 members, myself, Syarif, Hamid, Rafa, Adestia, Atin, Thalia, Elisabeth, Sitanggang, and Elisabeth, Margaretta, Tampubolon. And so why did we build SIKOMPU? Let's start with the context. As we all know, assigning the right lecture to the right course is a crucial process that directly impacts the quality of our education. The problem we identified is that this process is often performed manually. Perhaps using a complex matrix or a spreadsheet, this is not only extremely time-consuming, but it's also highly subjective. It's very difficult to be fair and objective when you are manually comparing multiple complex criteria for every single lecture. And this brings us to our solution. We are developing a decision support system or DSS specifically to make this process objective, transparent, and efficient. We achieve this by focusing on 4 key benefits. First, it replaces subjectivity with objective logic. Using a proven AI method to rank qualification. And second, it automatically enforces complex rules like requirements or certificate validity, which save a significant amount of time. Third, it builds trust through transparency, as lecturers can see how decisions were made. And finally, it is designed for ease of use to ensure people will actually adopt and use the system. And next, we will explain about how we will process this project.
For our project, we use the Agile method. We work in short sprint, plan, design, develop, test, and get feedback. All progress is tracked in Notion using a digital logbook for better task monitoring. Next, we'll talk about our work progress and team contribution. Our roles are divided clearly. Syarif as the leader, Rafa for front-end, Elisabeth for AI integration, and Christine for back-end. Right now, our overall progress is 55%. Design is complete while development is still in progress. Next, let's move to the use case diagram. This is the use case diagram of our system called SIKOMPU. It shows how the lecture and department structure interact in the system, like login, self-assessment, uploading certificates, and viewing reports. That's all for this part.
Okay, this is our entity relativity diagram or ERD. The main entity is user, which connect roles, certificate, education, and research, representing all user data and activity. Each user can also take part in self-assessment, which link them to courses under each program. Finally, all evaluations are summarized in recommendation results, showing the final teaching or assessment outcome for every end course. So overall, this ERD shows how our system manages academic data, self-assessment, and recommendation results in an integrated way. Next, this slide shows the AI architecture. The process begins with imputing lecture data, then the system validates and calculates with using the EHP method. Next, the weighted data is processed using the SAW method to calculate and rank lecture. Finally, the system generates recommendation for the most suitable lecture or coordinator. This is the structural UI/UX display of the department in our project. There are 7 pages, starting from the admin dashboard login, lecture management, courses, and study programs. Then the list is a report in Excel format that can be exported.
Okay, this is design demonstration and workflow. This slide shows our system workflow. Lecturer login to access the main dashboard as the activity center. They can use features like self-assessment, certificates, research, and assignment result. All features are connected to make the system simple and efficient. This is challenge and solution. We face challenge with algorithm complexity, data integration, and interface design. To solve them, we use a step-by-step validation process. We also added automatic data check and design a clean, card-based interface. This made the system more accurate and user-friendly. This is documentation. This slide shows short project documentation. It started with team discussion and task distribution. Then we continued with system design and meeting with our project manager. Finally, we did coding and testing to make sure everything worked properly.
Okay, that concludes our presentation. In summary, SIKOMPU transformed a complex manual and subjective process into an objective, fast, and transparent system for our institution. Thank you for your time. We will now be happy to answer any question you may have.